The Gas 1 aluminum cooking pot deep fryer with basket is like a trusty sidekick in your kitchen, especially when you crave crispy delights. This 10QT aluminum fry pot feels sturdy yet light, and its easy grip handle makes moving it around safe and simple. The included perforated strainer basket is a real bonus because it lets you lift out your fried food easily, draining excess oil like a sieve separating sand from water. It's a great tool for making your favorite fried chicken or seafood at home. And even an 8th grader can understand how useful that is. This Gas 1 aluminum cooking pot deep is made from food-grade aluminum, so you can feel good about what you're cooking in it. The material is durable, yet it's not overly heavy, which is good if you need to carry it outside for a fish fry. Think of it as a reliable workhorse, not a fancy showpiece. The perforated basket fits nicely inside, and it's designed to let oil drain away quickly, helping your food get that perfect crispy exterior. While there's no video included, the basics of using it are straightforward. Heat your oil, place your food in the basket, and lower it gently into the hot oil. For anyone who enjoys frying, this Gas 1 aluminum cooking pot deep is a solid choice. It's not some magical device, but it gets the job done well, and it's easy to clean afterward. The 10QT size is good for cooking enough food for a family without being too bulky to store. It's more about function than flashy features. And sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your cooking tools, whether you're in Canada or anywhere else. If you like fried food, this pot with its basket is a simple and effective way to make it. Pros: durable build, food grade safe, outdoor fryer, perforated basket, ideal for seafood, ideal for chicken, versatile use, large 10QT size, easy to clean, non-stick. Cons: uneven heating possible, handles can get hot, very lightweight, thin traction, not for serious frying, bolt for screw missing, some find it flimsy, quality not as expected. Features: 10QT capacity, aluminum pot, food grade safe, durable metal, easy grip handle, strainer basket, perforated, ideal for seafood, ideal for chicken, indoor, outdoor use. This Gas 1 10QT aluminum pot is great for frying food inside or outside. It's made of strong metal that is safe for food. The pot has a handle that's easy to hold and comes with a basket that has small holes to drain oil. It's a good size for cooking seafood and chicken. This Gas 1 10QT aluminum deep fryer with a perforated basket is designed for outdoor use and is great for frying seafood and chicken. It's made with food-grade materials and has easy grip handles. The pot is lightweight and easy to clean, but some users have noted that it's thin, may heat unevenly, and the handles can get hot. It might not be the best choice for serious frying due to its construction, and some customers have reported missing parts or a flimsy feel, with the overall quality not always meeting expectations.